and gentlemen. My name is Ron, your host, and welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. And no, that title on my video isn't clickbait. I requested a refund for Vegas Pro 17. And I'll tell you why. When I first downloaded it, I was really excited about the new features in it. So I downloaded it, installed it, and started playing with it, and it crashed, continually crashed. Couldn't figure out why. So I selected, it had in the preferences under video, it had Intel driver selected as my main graphics card. So I changed it to NVIDIA, which is my graphics card in the computer, and everything was fine. It was stable. I could use the program again. But then I started experimenting with VFX, and I started getting crashing and locking up. I couldn't figure out what is going on. I contacted tech support in the forums, and they recommended me use the Intel driver. And I said, I can't do that. I tried that, and the program crashes all the time. And it said, get the studio driver from NVIDIA. So I did that, got the studio driver, installed the studio driver from NVIDIA, so all my drivers are up to date. Still, the program crashes. One of the main features I'm using in the new program is the new motion, sorry, not the new motion track, the new image stabilization feature. It's built from the ground up. It's completely rebuilt. And I was really excited to use that because Vegas Pro 16 is really not the best stabilization. Version 17 is supposed to be way better. But every time I would use it on Vegas Pro 17, my system would lock up and crash. It was just not responding. I could not use it at all. It just would not work. And the reason why I'm using that feature is to save money. Instead of using storyblocks for my stock media, I'm starting to do my own, using my smartphone and going out to different places, taking video, stabilizing it, adjusting the contrast and color balance, and make my own stock footage clips for my library. Do it myself instead of paying somebody else for the stock video footage. And I need image stabilization because the stabilization in the camera is really not 100%. After it's stabilized in Vegas, it's nice and smooth. It's just like it's panned on a tripod. It just does a beautiful job. It looks really great. I'll do a tutorial on that to show you how I'm doing it. Because doing your own stock footage is way cheaper, and using the image stabilization makes it just like it actually looks like it's on a tripod. There's no shaking at all. It's just really amazing video footage. So I'm not giving up on Vegas Pro 17 completely. I spent $280 Canadian to upgrade to it, and I can't justify spending that money on a program I can't use. So I requested a refund. Magic sent me back an email today saying yes, they're going to process the refund. So when the program becomes stable, whenever that is, I will buy Vegas Pro 17 again. If you're on the fence, I would say, you're on the fence, you want to upgrade from Vegas Pro 16 to 17, I would say hold off until some new builds come out and see how stable they are. There's other people using Vegas Pro 17 with no problems at all. My computer is not a slow computer. It's a year and a half old. It's a very fast computer with a very fast memory card. Very fast video card. I have 16 gigabytes of RAM in the computer and 6 gigabytes of video RAM. So it's not a slow computer. It's this one right here, right there. And it does a real fine job in Vegas Pro 16. I cannot remember the last time Vegas Pro 16 has crashed on my computer. I can't remember it crashing before. So I'll keep you guys abreast of what's happening with Vegas Pro 17. In the meantime, all my tutorials are going to be done on Vegas Pro 16, and I will do a tutorial on making your own stock video footage. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.